Welcome to the best picks. The Best Easy Bake Oven is probably one of the most exciting and engaging toys for young aspiring chefs, offering a fantastic introduction to the world of baking and culinary creativity for children as young as 5 years old, allowing them to safely prepare their own delicious treats and experience the joy of making something from scratch, all within a fun and accessible format designed specifically for little hands and budding imaginations. Number 5. Cyajm 50 Colors Oven Bake Polymer Clay Kit. Discover a world of color with our Oven Bake Polymer Clay Kit. It features 50 practical, classic hues perfect for all your daily DIY creations, from jewelry to home decor. Craft with confidence. Our non-toxic, kid-safe formula is perfect for parent-child family time, allowing worry-free creative sessions for children aged 3 and up. No matter your experience, you'll love how easy it is to work with. Its soft, pliable texture makes shaping and sculpting a breeze for beginners and experienced crafters alike. Once baked in the oven, your creations become stable and durable. They resist deformation and cracking, making them ideal for school projects, gifts, or even for sale. From delicate jewelry and charming keychains to unique figurines and festive decorations, the possibilities are limitless. Make something special for yourself or as a heartfelt gift. Easily blend and mix these classic colors to create your own personalized shades. This ensures you get the exact tones you need without any color waste. What we like. If you're looking for a creative outlet with a wide range of color options, this is a fantastic choice. Its soft, easy-to-mold texture makes it perfect for beginners and kids alike. You should consider this if you want to create detailed jewelry, home decor, or school projects with vibrant, blendable colors. What people say. The oven is very easy to use and clean. It heats up quickly and bakes evenly. The included recipes are simple and fun for kids to follow. Number 4. SUZIYO Children's Digital Camera. Introducing the SUZIYO Children's Digital Camera, designed for little explorers. It features a 2.4-inch HD screen and dual lenses for stunning photos and videos. This camera offers multiple modes, filters, and frames to spark creativity. It also includes autofocus, a self-timer, and even built-in games for endless entertainment. Crafted from safe, non-toxic silicone and shockproof ABS plastic, this camera is built to last. It's certified for safety, ensuring peace of mind for parents. With a long-lasting battery and a lightweight, portable design, it's the perfect companion for daily adventures and travel. It comes with all the accessories needed to get started. Looking for a special gift? This camera is an excellent choice for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion, encouraging children's hobbies and creativity. It captures memories in crisp detail with 24 million pixels and 1080p video recording. This device ensures children can capture their world with clarity and joy. What we like. If you want to capture your child's adventures in high definition, this camera is ideal. It offers both front and rear lenses for versatile shooting and even includes fun built-in games. Choose this if you're looking for a durable, easy-to-use camera that encourages creativity and provides entertainment on the go. What people say. The oven is a great size for little hands and easy to operate. It comes with everything you need to get started, including a mix and utensils. Kids love being able to make their own treats and feel independent. Number 3. Baketivity 31-piece Kids Baking Tools Set. Introducing the Baketivity 31-piece Kids Baking Tools Set. This set provides real, child-sized utensils for an authentic baking experience. Crafted from BPA-free, food-grade materials with smooth edges and easy grip handles, it ensures safety. It even includes a nylon knife for safely slicing soft foods. These sturdy, reusable tools are designed for everyday kitchen use and are dishwasher safe. This means easier cleanup for parents and more baking fun for kids. Perfect for ages 4 to 10, this set encourages independence and creativity. It helps children practice essential baking skills like measuring, mixing, and decorating. With brightly colored tools and cheerful packaging, it makes an unforgettable gift. It's designed to keep kids engaged, learning, and proud of their culinary creations. What we like. If you're aiming to foster independence and real kitchen skills in your child, this set is perfect. It features actual, child-sized baking tools made from safe, durable materials. Consider this if you want your young chef to feel confident and engaged while measuring, mixing, and decorating their own culinary creations. What people say. It is a great starter oven for baking. The oven is easy to use and clean. My daughter loves baking cookies with it. Number 2. Easy Bake Ultimate Oven Baking Star Super Treat Edition. Get ready for endless baking fun with the Baking Star Super Treat Edition. It's designed for aspiring bakers aged 8 and up, making sweet treats a breeze. This amazing oven comes with a baking pan, pan tool, spatula, and easy-to-follow instructions. You'll have everything you need to start creating delicious desserts right away. Forget about complicated setups. This oven requires no assembly, so you can jump straight into the baking action. Adult supervision is recommended for the best experience. It works perfectly with any Easy Bake Ultimate Oven mixes, sold separately. Explore a world of flavors and get creative with your baking adventures. Experience the joy of creating your own sweet masterpieces. With this oven, life truly becomes sweeter, one delicious bake at a time. What we like. If you're looking for a classic, all-in-one baking experience for kids, this is the one. It comes with everything needed to start baking right away, including delicious mixes. You should choose this if you want a straightforward and fun way for children to enjoy the magic of baking without complex setups. What people say. The oven is easy to assemble and use, perfect for little bakers. It comes with a variety of mixes and accessories, allowing for creative baking fun. The size is just right for small hands, and the baking time is quick, keeping kids engaged. Number 1. Easy Bake Ultimate Oven Baking Star Edition Bundle. Get ready to become a baking star with this Ultimate Oven Bundle. It includes everything you need to create delicious treats right at home. This special edition comes with the white Easy Bake Ultimate Oven, 3 larger-sized mixes for pizza, whoopie pies, and cakes, plus a mini whisk. You'll have all the essentials to start baking immediately. Explore a variety of flavors with the included mixes. You'll get to bake fun pizza, delightful whoopie pies, and sweet red velvet and strawberry cakes. Looking for an amazing gift? This bundle is perfect for any child who dreams of becoming a baker. It's an exciting way to introduce them to the joy of baking. Enjoy a fun and engaging baking experience with a product proudly made in the USA. It's designed for hours of creative play and tasty results. What we like. If you want to maximize the baking fun and variety for your child, this bundle is the ultimate choice. It includes the oven, larger-sized mixes for popular treats like pizza and cakes, and a handy whisk. This is perfect for aspiring bakers who love to experiment with different recipes and want more baking time. What people say. It is a fun and engaging toy for young children. The oven is easy to use and comes with simple instructions. It allows kids to bake small treats and learn basic cooking skills. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.